man, some swim around, yeah? And that is it, my babes.
See ball game now. This is called the Hamilton Bleach. Or
Brother.
Hamilton Bleach.
It's beach, brother.
I
How can I bleach?
read, you know. I want to tell you, brother. So I'm going look a while, I put something else tonight that I never show. No. I couldn't know the whole I stick with them. So this is the blend up, so I thick.
Yeah, man, it's a chin, you know? Yeah, man, say dog, you know? Dog strong, you know? Yeah, man.
Party and go, it's strong.
Yeah, you know?
We are glaze it,
You know?
the file paper with the buttons,
Yeah, man.
butterments.
A couple of them gone on already, you know?
I don't know about the buttons, they ain't change that ball and kill them on the panda.
Why?
So see if it's not a weed smoker, you can't do that style. That style named Billa split.
Yeah.
Catch it now. Yeah, you have to catch it with everything, you know. You have to draw the top in there and make sure it roll tight, you know. Yeah, you have to. It's a current situation.
Yeah, man. See it there? Oh, it's got the steam.
Eh?
Them not scale.
Them no scale.
What?
Back at it again. One on the dog, a spice, you know. Have the bossy thing them, you know.
Man, that is it.
Yeah, so you know the ball game. Some roast fish today when I'm a dog, them hurt strong. I like me say me always a spice, you know, so I know the ball game. The most I say me I deal with the knife rough, but I techniques, you know.
Neeks, you know?
Techniques tonight, man. Can't cut me from the angle there, I said half a go up. Alright.
Watch ball
So
game.
everybody do for them roast fish different, you know. So show me whole sea creature, man. They do my thing well different, you get me? Yeah, this I do some little pepper put on it, you know.
Some herbs and spices, you know?
And people think them wash already, yeah? So I don't want to say what kind of dirty pattern them rare, because I don't want to stay, you know. Yeah. Spice, man, spice. I want to say I have it on my mat, yeah, my cutting mat. Some I don't really know them things. It's called Baker's Secret, yeah. Them sell them, yeah. In a Azans and them fancy places. You get me? Yeah, so I doing my rare, you know. This is called the Interples. Them call me the Interples, boss.
You know?
So I can't cook with dust powder seasoning, you know. I have to have the natural, organic, you know. Yeah, that is. So I catch it right away. You know the ball game come down.
Yeah, man, some swim around, yeah? And that is it, my babes. Yeah. And some spices over here, so. Alright. So I go, man. Let's go and tune in and see.
Yeah.
My babes.
So there, you know, the boom, boom.
Yeah, so I go and babes.
Raw food that shop not there, no brother.
So kids, do not play with knife.
Yeah, tell you, brother.
Cause right now, if not now I'm thinking if I go send him got children idea. So
I will be out here for send me, man. Up Animal Hospital up there, say for send me, man.
Animal Hospital?
Yeah, up Animal Hospital. And take care of you better up there.
All that too.
Yeah,
Cause them get grooming and them little thing there, you know?
Yeah, I get them thing there.
You see me? Ear well comb up and teeth. About teeth. Cause they're not shorten for your teeth. And Tony cut and beer things. Alright, talking to dog.
But I remember say
you ever seen that at the hospital yet?
Never. But me I tell you, so me animal man, so I know them things there, brother.
Yeah.
I be a dog, a pit bull and them sit them growing up, so I know what I talk about.
Yeah.
Yeah, so when I go to them place, they are nice treatment. My father, man. I use no whole heap of bag of ray neither too, you know. Yeah. Cause a small amount of eat a sea creature, you know. Yeah. And me I blend it up my people, cause you don't know want it for marinate fast and a white meat it not hard for season. Yeah, I wash out about the skeleton on time them and them look at thing there. Them know a real town man style, you see me?
Yeah man, so everything has to blend up on thing.
Country man thing, you see me? That is it, man. Yeah, when I viewers them say,
yeah.
But what? Oh, your cameraman can talk. So I love my cameraman. I him keep me vibes, cause if it me alone, Me and I ain't chattings, but just I do what I do and the video them would nice.
Yeah.
So Lord man make him talk. Oh
Yeah,
no, man.
I saw you have to go more time, you know?
I'm too now. They have to have our vibes,
Boot-
you know, the
boots
vibes
them
with the
up, you know?
vibes.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So I say,
is
go
it,
now,
man.
you know, a ginger.
Yeah,
Can't
man.
left out the ginger and the girl mints.
Yeah, man. So, in the countryside, I go on easy. Yeah.
Which countryside? A Kingston, me the people. I mean, I tell them nothing about no country. I'm not a country, man. I don't even have a country.
Oh, yeah.
Yo, I'm telling you about that pepper. So that
Yeah.
pepper name Poil Pot. When I say name Poil Pot, look on the color. I say burgundy. This you know play with.
Yeah.
You can't cut this and make your hand touch your eye. I say you go piss or
Yeah.
dribble down.
Yeah.
You can't stay. Let me test him and say I go on with still.
Yeah.
They might give me a bad smell.
Yeah.
Boom, boy. This can't play with, boy. This can't play with. This can't play with. Like a gall, he bitter, boy. He bitter like a gall. Hey.
What a name, Poil Pot.
Yeah, man, this name Poil Pot, man. I laugh with it, man. Bitter like a gall. Alright, so I'm going to get the blender now and throw anything in the blender.
You know?
Stay tuned. See ball game now. This is called the Hamilton Bleach. Or
Brother.
Hamilton Bleach.
It's beach, brother.
I
How can I
can't
bleach?
read, you know. I want to tell you,
Yeah.
brother. So you know the thing now.
People, the boy can't sit
No, man,
there.
this is intellectual dunce, you know, man. Easy put, no, man. You
What
see me?
about Hamilton bleach?
Drop in the pimento them.
Yeah,
Yeah, with the rare them.
that is it, you know.
Get it active, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Pimento. Some people are going to rub on. I don't have time for rub on because I teach you some little secrets, but I'm not teaching you everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, if I give you all of my secrets, these secrets are for aquatic animal anglers only. Layman terms fisherman, but me is no fisher of no man.
No, sir.
Yeah, alright. Kill them now, not that. Alright.
Right now, them claim say a man go snap at them, yeah?
Mangrove, sir, me tell you,
Is it?
people, look on this. Me I tell a man, say, I jump at them, I find people, them call them croaker. Jamaica, you know them do? Then sell the people them and tell them, say, a mangrove snapper. Say, fool people, when I know not about fish, I got things, say, a snapper, them I get is no snapper. Look on the face of them, make them see the face. Croaker, them, they make one sound, croak, 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 when you kill them.
Yeah.
All over Causeway, you kill them, no. And then get big toils, so. And a good live bait to catch all of the big swim around too. So I make nobody tell you nothing. I mean constantly I tell you about snapper. No snapper no in them. Yeah. They not even have teeth. Every snapper have teeth, brother. They are no teeth in their mouth. I'm going to show people them so they not no teeth. So the people them need to learn the ball game. Look, every snapper a carnivore. Meaning say they eat meat and they eat other fish. What kind of fish him can hold on pan with a little mouth here and no teeth? See my finger up on him mouth there? No teeth. You catch it? See that? No teeth. Try that in any real snapper mouth. Dog teeth snapper, mangrove snapper. See if your finger no bust off. Alright. Someone know who not tell me. Say, I mean I teach you know.
Brother, whatever them call it, for mangrove or a girl grove, you not gonna work with none of them there. A grove.
Yeah.
Grove snapper them.
None of them.
Yeah.
I wanna mix people with food.
Yeah.
No time. But me I tell us that them name drummer, otherwise known as croakers. But people extension kinda the far. So me go just throw it in and then do so and go blending up and then make it see what I go on.
Alright.
These are the hidden seeds. I'm gonna see the whole of the name.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna see the whole of the name. This name nice yo.
Yeah.
Yeah. In a real life. So watch a little thing now. See me I use all of them still, you know. Cause you don't know you have to lightly glaze them, you know. You know the thing you have to throw over there.
You know?
Yeah, you
That
have to
is
roll
it.
off of the elbow. So that's why I'm gonna see a good blender. But me I go in at the house cause tone this when I'm on a long extension.
Yeah.
So I just take off the vinegar water for them now. Give them a slice cause you don't know. White meat easy for something they you know, marinate, you know. Just put a slice in them. I give them the old Jamaican slice. Now one next technique where I'm not ready for teach you yet. Later down in the video them I teach you that technique there. I make you see it. But that's that technique you cut it right so along like you fillet him. So you ease off the meat and just throw him down in it. But me I get the whole time Jamaican style.
I have some people slice inside that and slice go way up past the middle bone there.
Inside that, sir?
Yeah.
I don't know that.
Yeah man, them slice the two side and go way up.
When I take it out, the whole of meat I drop off my bone, that can't make sense. If you put a knife in here and slice in here so come right up, meat will drop off. But if you slice up here so, the meat can't drop off of the bone. So.
When they do it, you never drop off though.
I wish you go see that.
Fall.
Fall.
I say do it man.
Fall in my country man, you know.
Say that?
Fall in my country man.
Yeah man. So yeah, say the countryman can cook better than town man.
Countryman can't cook better than town man. I hear that. How you gonna hear that?
Ask you about
that.
That's
Impossible, brother.
Ask you.
No countryman can cook better than no town man. Mad. Cook better than what? Fall them a killer still, but
I mean.
I don't know about the cooking part. Because I don't see no boy for test me in a cooking. Because some boy don't say them a cooker, you know. Me a cookies.
Some man a cookies?
I don't ask nobody that.
Some man a cookie
I
man.
Use oil, I use oil make gravy. From me a 9 me a cook, you know. Ramp with my granny and my father, them ramp with them thing there. Me a cook big. No, I'm not going to say that. I don't want people feel that way. We don't want people feel that way.
Man, no name calling.
Nah, call, but me a cook better than my bigger sibling them long time.
Yeah.
And one of my bigger siblings me can't really go around, you know. And the great boys, you know.
Yeah.
Because here where I can't go around she, you know. She have the baking and everything. I don't have them whole heap of baking thing there, right? I'm not gonna lie to you and tell you say I'm a wicked baker still, you see me? But if me try, me know me can do it. Because I usually mix out the whole I sit them for granny them in a pattern. When Christmas cake or bake and pudding and them same thing there. So I must know me can do it.
So boys still can spice me if you don't show up, so?
What you mean?
Me don't know. Because sometimes when you left out of the yard, you know. It's like you
no left out of boards, none at all. You can tell you that.
It's like the
year before
cooking
last.
gone, you know?
No, year before last.
Or decrease.
Year before last, Christmas dinner.
Yeah.
And she fly come to Jamaica. Bumbo clad Christmas dinner active. Yeah, the man. I may have one little brother in a house there where he want to get on the train. He love his belly, you know. Half he can cook, you know. Love him belly, you know. Hey, may I tell you my little brother cool. The man they eat my dinner 5 o'clock and eat his mother dinner 7 o'clock. I mean I tell you about no boy food the man eat, you know this. Big man plate of food me I give man, the man mash up that, you know, and then mash up his mother dinner, you know. I watch it, you know, cause we're gonna do one something with him too, you know. One video with him, you know, when him pass him Pepe now.
Yeah.
Me I look for Campion or one of them school there, you know, cause him do Pepe, you know. So you go see it, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, the dog bright man, face there, it ring like chink though. Yeah, when I'm done that man.
Yeah man, so I swim around them and get some little season up and thing.
Yeah.
Yeah man. You want to ball game.
So those are glaze everybody know,
You
in
know?
a belly know.
Yeah man, a belly time.
In a belly time, body rub up and things, so in a belly time I know.
Yeah man, that is it, you know.
So I'm going look a while, I put something else in it I never show. No. I couldn't know the whole I stick with them, so this is the blend up, so I take now on a bag of water in it. You see me? It does. So I take look on it. Yeah. All natural elements.
Yeah man.
Yeah. Down in a belly, down in a head, down in a eye, everywhere. Yeah.
Man, them man, all the man who cook them type of swim around here, and it's bad. You know what I mean?
All grunt, man.
And you know,
All fresh water. No long, nothing.
You know, if you marinate how much hours and rare, you know? Is it? Just one go.
Then I can go up and grill right away, but fire have to catch and thing and to deal with that next
Yeah.
day. So just rub on you know, you see me?
Yeah, man.
So see it? Then people them see right amount. Cover them and dip on them, you see me? Everything right. That is it. So make him go and marinate for a little time now.
Yeah, man.
We have one big pussy and teeth your fret, so I have to cover him.
Yeah, man, definitely.
Yeah. So I make him go and marinate and go move to the fire. Sorry, move to the fire and get the thing active with people. You know where ball game come on. I want Jim bro.
Yeah, man, it's a chin, you know?
Yeah,
Yeah,
look
man.
on them.
It's a chin.
You can't know say a knife cut them, two of them fine. They be a fucking fish belly, you see me?
You know what I mean?
Na industrials belly, you see me?
That is it.
They may have to go in at the belly of the beast, you know? So them chop fine. Sorry, you never catch a whole like make them see how man a deal with knife
It's
like
a chin,
that.
you know?
Yeah. Yeah. Know these things. Years of experience and training.
People, it's when man know a little one thing, man can go on and say, bumper clat. Yo, me say man can go
But the
on.
people them see it. Beautiful.
Yeah,
My
man.
God, radiant. Yeah.
Yeah.
That is roast fish. Man does a powder fish and I put butter pan
Yeah.
file and a roast fish that. A roast sister that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So you dog, you know? Dog
no,
strong,
you
you
know.
know? Yeah, I mean.
and good.
Yeah, you know? That a dog strong, you know? So we do a little thing for the dog.
Yeah,
I don't
yeah,
know. Yeah, man. So you don't know fire and thing. Yeah. You know, so the dog just bring in the fire paper and thing. So you don't know. That is it, my babes. Babes. Yo, you don't know if you use what you have, you know? So we have to deal with the thing.
These are the more official things.
You know?
When you take off, you just put
Alright.
one take off and done.
Alright.
And you can put the one that will cook
Yeah.
over upon the side. And me ability to the
Yeah,
season, man.
cool, nah, man.
And me and the spices, you know. Man. You know?
One basto.
Fuck y'all out the door and no beat.
Yeah.
Pastor Santa. The boy, you should be girl off a station.
I know me tell you go show off girl off a stage.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, that's my babes. That is it. Yeah, man. That is it, you know. Look at whites and thing. Now, live above who means, you know, you buy what you can afford, you know what I mean? That is it, my peeps. My people, if you not glad to see nothing nice, brother, this is what I'm glad to see.
Be ice
Some mice.
Be ice and drink, brother, like a water.
Mice in my lickies. How we are, say, man? The greatest thing this ever make. Yo, man, for break the people who were great feet. We're great feet, brother. Half it. Amen. That is it, my peeps.
Yeah, man, current situation, man. Butter pan file, man.
Yeah, man.
That is it, you know, you see me? Butter pan file. Take it up with all of the juice, them and the rare them in it, and put up some of the cholesterols them in our belly, you know? Yeah. Get the belly tough up, you know? You say I should have go for one spoon.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
take up some of the juice out of it and make it go in the belly, you know?
Stop it, you know.
Stuff him up on them little thing there.
You know.
Yeah.
You know that give you a little flavor, so. Yeah, man. Watch your ball game, you know.
It's a tactics to it, you know, people. Yeah. Tactics. can't make the juice get to you see me?
Mad.
Like you roll a big head split, you see me my people? Hey, them, hey, nothing now make good again, no, brother. All one time I file thick and nice and up on your file I know.
Flimsy, man.
Flimsy your fret, dog.
Yeah, my peeps.
So the first one this.
Yeah,
Now
man.
put him on the fire because you don't want none cook faster than none.
Yeah.
You have to know them style.
Mm-hmm.
And fish and roast fish take 7 to about roughly 8 minutes. Some people do it in a 5, some people do it shorter. But you don't know that come like a whoa! What me I do?
Mm-hmm. That me I say.
Butter no gone on
And
it.
the boat is not drop on yet.
Butter for gone on. You have to know these things.
Yeah, man.
Show me a talk, you know.
Yeah, man.
Butter for in. Take up a nice smaller one, then I broke that fire that small. Alright. Yeah. Tough up in belly again.
Mm-hmm.
Juice.
Mm-hmm. And turtles.
In turtles in a belly, you see me?
Yeah, man. Nice it up, you know?
No might nothing about it tough.
Yeah.
Yeah. If I hear that song there, ain't enough but it tough. I look up is hungry than my whole life I cook now.
Wrap him up.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I swing it longer there in them. So you don't want to juice it out. Yeah,
Yeah.
man. And drop on the side. Yeah, the peeps. So that is it.
The bright.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bo.
So we are glaze it the
You know?
when you file paper with the buttments,
Yeah, man.
butterments.
A couple of them gone on already, you know?
I don't know
Them
about the
know what to say,
buttments,
you
they
know?
not change that ball and kill them on the panda. So
Why?
watch the thing now.
Yeah.
You take it up with the juice them in the belly, right? You know that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Put it on
Mhm.
and then we get the liquor
You know,
okra them
turtles.
and shove in the belly, right? You know?
Yeah.
Normal as a killer. But
What
you
the-
see, if it's not a weed smoker, you can't do that style. That style named Billa Split.
Yeah.
Catch it now. Yeah, you have to catch it with everything, you know. You have to draw the top in there and make sure it roll tight, you know. Yeah, you have to.
Hi.
You have to catch it, man. Don't leave that style. I mean, first bust this, I couldn't see it, you know.
Yeah.
Well rolling on your dust.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is it.
Yeah.
Remember, I just have a circle in YouTube too, you know. Nobody feel like I don't have a circle in YouTube page, you know, I have a circle at. That
Yeah,
is
man.
called a spliff rollment.
Split fish business.
Alright.
You know, when I leave it
So, I'm going to put them on the grill because I only have second for roll out, so I put them on the grill now.
Yeah.
And make them go on red.
You know?
Yeah. The fire go on go down in them belly now. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Bomb
Yeah, man.
class smell ingredients, man.
Mm-mm.
Bomb
What
class.
peeps? Sorry, no, they have to smell it.
You have to smell this, my father.
I
Ah.
can't. Want to smell it through the phone still, nothing wrong.
Them can smell it through your phone, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. You don't want to hold it for high fire upon it, you know, pain and syrup.
Yeah.
That fish have a slow cooking, you know them ball game there.
Yeah. Yeah, my people, that is it, you know?
Me I deal with food and a full one.
Yeah, my peeps. You hear the sizzle? Hear that. Hear that. And watch that. That is it. Well, I'm sorry now they have to smell the aroma, man. I mean, I tell you. You hear the sizzle? Hear the sizzle, my peeps?
You must see the smoke, man.
Yeah, man. That is it.
You better kill me for splash the bomb buckler rum. Man just dip on rum. Alright, let me splash the rum.
Well,
Psalms 23.
well, when me throw it
Psalms
dry, brother.
91. I
Yeah.
hope it blind your bomb buckler. Cut and clear all iniquity, all obia worker, all dirty people. Cut and clear.
Baba.
Ease off.
Yes.
Witchcraft. That is it.
Baba.
Cut and clear. You hear that? That's where
Man.
ball game come down. You hear
Long
that?
time for flash a bomb.
Yeah. Can't start drink now, man.
I look for a well. Me there. I'm a throat dry.
Man, just dinner. Yeah,
I mean,
bro.
long time I
Yo.
throat there
Hold
dry.
on,
You know.
hold on.
Yeah, man. That is it, you know. Wanna sip on some cranberry and some rum? Alright, that is it.
My friend P&R sorry and them I forgot for Yomin Troop for go see this, you know. Say if a boy not follow my Yomin Troop, him nah gonna know. I want my TikTok dog them, I really you hear that him blind, you know, but him wear 4 glasses. Come over here so make the people them see him face. See me? I him this upper top there, so him are the host, yeah, P&R sorry, a real dog. You see me, I big up the rest of people them on the live. Family, you know that, real dog them. Yeah. So big up P&R Sarah, big up Dolly, big up King Fashion, big up Daniel, big up that boy can change his name. Yeah. NC and Queen Shan, big up themselves. So watch out now, make the people them see now. Secret are done roast. Yeah, but we are wait for one more press before we start share because it is Jamaican custom. If you share your food without people here, them not going to want it. You see me, so we have to wait until the rest of people them come. So current situation, we have white rum and cranberry. Yeah, I was playing music, but you know the copyright thing, we cannot play the music, make them hear because we don't want the copyright fee. What them can incriminate us or flag us. Yeah. So remember, I'm an intellectual dunce, so you know the ball game come down. People don't understand the metaphor and the similes, but me do things chronologically. Yeah. Google it and they don't know we know what that means. I do things backwards. Make them see the rum them over there. Yeah.
Yeah, you know?
That
is it, you know?
Yeah, man. Daddy, hold on. In a real life. Fly back your phone like a grenade pin. I want Jim Brown, a brawling bad this. You hear that? Rukum. Yeah. Alright, so what's the ball game now? We have white man here. My local cousin, want to see him from the previous video, from the Riverside video. Yeah. And we have my elder cousin here. This is man, the real elder. He is 48 today. Look at him. Yeah, 48 pussy and all that. 48 today. Yeah. And we're bigging up on him strong, so we do some roast fish and we're doing aquatic animals.
You're close to 69.
What do you mean by close to 69? Hey boy, me post a shot in the right one. You don't say boy want to corrupt the war part. Peter say you hear that boy over here.
Yeah.
You see me? Big up that now, that one of them man named Elika boy, come here to the man. I'm gonna tell you something.
Yeah.
That boy that jam.
Yeah.
You see that? Want it to box you for your face. Come
On the boss of
on, man.
Santan.
I want your boss to say you kill nobody. You see that youth here?
Yeah.
I'm growing from now till up. Now till up, yeah. And I'm a real dog this.
Don't still, yeah,
You see, when we reach for the story time, there was a story for gear with him.
Yeah.
You see me? But until then, we know where it go.
Yeah.
Run back your phone for your people. Them. You pull a phone now. So current situation.
Yeah, man. See that? Oh, it's got the steam.
Yeah?
You're not scared.
Them not scared.
What?
Them not scared.
Oh, watch my people. Watch my people. Watch that.
Look at it.
Yeah, man. That is it, you know?
If you don't know nothing about me, you know something I shit.
Yo. So when man know I look at one thing, man can go on, you see, man.
Man, cause you like you want me a war all night tonight, brother.
Me say when man know I look at one thing, man can go on, you see.
Yeah.
Watch that.
Yeah, birthday girl, I forget it first.
I mean.
No man, birthday girl, man, I'm a YouTube page, man, I'm a YouTube page. Me I come, mommy, me I come.
Yeah, that is it. I have to deal with the birthday people, them, you know? Yeah, man.
I have to deal with the birthday people them first.
Yeah.
So today our mom's birthday.
Yeah.
The ball game come down. What the fuck them there?
Yeah, man. The part them somewhere wire, so man.
Yeah.
You know?
What I mean by are your birthday people them I deal with first?
I mean, first.
Priority.
Yeah, dog.
Chef, not ready for mine, here.
Alright, no problem. Birthday people them have to deal with first.
I mean,
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah. That's why I go still.
I mean, dog, dress up on you strong in a dog, I mean, dog. Yeah, dog. Watch me. Oh God, people, yo, I try not to be there. This is what I go.
People have talk about
Yeah.
taste testing, man.
Yeah.
Talk about taste, man.
Yeah, that is it.
Chat too much,
Aye.
man. Burn up your bum, buck, man.
That's it.
Alright, man.
Can't tell me
Yeah,
about
man.
fish you. None of them can cook like me.
That's a secret.
Me nah cook for much years. Me nah take care of
The
you
dog
for
say
much years.
aquatic animals.
Me is an aquatic animal angler, brother.
Yeah.
No fisherman.
No.
Yeah. That was secret, John Fishman.
Yeah,
Me a
that.
cook for the whole of them here, so years. Who me not grow, see that look on it. Which part of them I can but none of them can tell me not about no about
It's
what.
called Aquaman and Gun.
Aquaman your bum.
Fishman.
Hi.
Wally.
Yeah.
Stop the chat.
All that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's say about
Yeah, man, dog, them they are all the vibes, you know?
yeah.
Yeah, that.
Bum book now look
Oh,
on
man.
it.
Yeah, man.
Make sure you have all of them things up on the clip in the brother. I want an hour ad video this time in the youth.
No, that is gonna go on, brother.
Oh, you mean, look how much clippings you take this.
That can't add up, brother.
What do you mean by can't add up? Can't add up. How more than an hour?
There.
Yeah, man, I sweat, man. Drink. See that? Man, go take up rum and can't manage it. See that?
A twat.
Man, I sweat you fuck.
Remember, the camera clean in the dark, so you show it to the
It
yo.
has show you fuck. Dog, I sweat.
Yeah.
And the boy, man, to Santan.
Yeah.
See, the boy, rich keke.
Yeah, man. Birthday boy, you know?
Oh, yo, boy, the pussy will make rum, you know. See, boy, make rum with that cut off, he made. No. Anybody will make rum. More I know, you know. See that, say anybody will make rum.
Yeah.
I see man will make rum. I want serious boy, my class. Yo, hold on now. Are you out there? I want to tell you that. Look at this bumbo. I want to tell you big pussy was to Santan.
I make a copyright business. I want to hear this.
I mean,
Yeah.
dirty, man.
Yeah,
Yo,
man.
see man will make you rum.
Yeah.
See man will make you rum. Him ugly or fuck, he never have nothing to do.
No,
Him should have called it rude to your parents. It should name rum. Rude to your parents. No, it name R-U-M. What that mean? That's all like a rum man.
R-O-M-E, rum.
Rum. Listen,
Yeah.
man, you see in a real life. Big up people up on the YouTube, but they are my real friend. Them.
Oh, yeah,
Big up
man,
my 48-year-old friend and all
Yeah,
like
man.
a shandy back. Look at them pussy clan.
I say all of that mean.
All of them blood clan.
Close to 69.
Yeah, batty boy, man. About 60, 69. Ladies, I'm gonna tell you something. This is called a nipple spanner.
Yeah.
Yeah. You see, big nipple girl, them. You just put the nipple in that and go so ting, 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 the pussy go ring, ring, ring. Yeah. So you see me, you know, me can't suck pussy because I never born through pussy. A sunroof me come through. Get that in your head. That's why I'm gonna look fine, girl. Me go and part, me bum buckle Jamaican crosses, girl. And me part me good. Don't show them one place, run one part. That
Every
is
part.
If all the road you buck your toe part, put the blood clot for them.
Yeah.
They know where I walk.
Bum buckler.
That is it. People don't cuss me for the bad words and the
Yeah.
expletives. Remember, I'm an intellectual dunce. So right now, maturity isn't age, it's a state of mind. Fuck
Yeah.
all of y'all niggas. Yeah. I'm gonna give them the accent. Hi, my name is Jim Brown. May I have your name, please? So, could you say you have just won the lottery and I have a BMW, you need $2,000 to send and then you collect your prize. Okay, ma'am. That's good. Collect your prize.
I am
That no
one
open
Jim
is.
Brown.
Yo.
On the
I'm
dark, you
gonna tell
know?
you, see my YouTube page, it a bust the sky. Cause you see me is a intellectual dunce. I'm a full of style, I'm an idiot.
Full of style and pattern, you know?
Look at it now, man.
Yeah,
But you
man.
know, you have any girl every minute. She
Yeah.
know what? Oh, translate that go. She want a shutter. She know what? Harry Potter. She want the. Yo, I think girl in my lead right now. No? I think them girl in my lead. I don't like the type pump girl. I see type pump girl and uncomfortable. But me are going to one girl for where I bust up my house. I can't go
Bust
in about.
up.
Can't take the bus up.
Take
business.
all a week for heal.
Yeah, I like the comfortable pum pum them when you're going out to go pum. Yeah. But like the, watch out. Yo, I'm gonna tell you something, Dan. Yes. Yo, I'm gonna tell you something.
Yeah.
Dunce like oh, yo, I say my dunce like on the corridor, not even the back of the class. Back of the class it house.
Yeah.
Yo, one buckler.
Yeah.
The girl said to me, say, when I work, I say, I'm JPS. If you don't have me, you don't have current. Yo, you don't miss.
I mean,
Medium JPS without me, you don't have current. You will get electric show shit. Yeah, in a real life. Dog, them are the dunce.
yeah.
Them are the pip. What pretty dance say? Epiphany. And I say we're going about she don't screen up. Yes, she want a man hold her and put her up on the back of her fuck that hard.
Yeah,
Oh,
man.
she a blood clot, man. Man, hold that and strike that like a leg. Hard buckles.
Yeah.
Hold 10 and a half or so. Say, you fi have sense. You fi take hold. God bring you come here. Fi take hold. That's how we are. I don't say page I come down, man.
Yeah, man.
I just the first set, and just I know me now. Say so they know me fully, or they know the ball game come down.
School now,
In a
man.
real life. Big up this man back at page just saying, you hear that? One bomb buckler this man, I don't know the ball game. Yo, your camera clean like a whistle. The man take one 99 video now, oh you look so like you're ugly and you're afraid of rum. Brother about 10 flasks of rum there saying the rum not start drinking.
And that me and some man,
What's
man,
your
man,
bomb buckler? Man,
How you go? How you go, brother?
Where the pussy you go?
How you go, dog?
Work your blood clot. Yo, fuck work and fuck education. Don't say fuck. Crow. In a real life.
No one, not out of life.
Not right now. All
Nothing
I
no
want
one.
out of life. I have to pick them alright. For them alright, me alright.
It's tough.
Yeah. But
No,
you want
no,
no.
no. Bobo.
Jump over. No, you see you. Yes, let me tell you something. No, you see, only now, when you know Guaga Belly Cup, our blood class LGBT Cup.
Hey, move from me, sir.
It full of too much color tag. You can't tell them LGBT bumbo ass clap. Pretty a pussy blood clot. We don't want them to fuck them. Watch your dog and stuck on your fuck. Yo! You don't rock me a drink for your
Yeah.
birthday.
Yeah.
Where you want to jump rubber for your drink? Yeah.
Yeah.
Rubber for your drink. People. Watch out now, see one flask there ground. Look, you know, so one flask kick off, next flask a kick off, that one a quarter,
Yeah.
and that one a full. So here we are going to do now. Me I show them, because many people let me see my face now, man. So because I'm a certified mixologist, you don't know what that is. I do flaming Bob Marley, and we give the girl them pink cookies, no pink pussy. I don't know about no pink pussy. So you got to separate the distill. Yeah, you got to separate the distill from the distill and what? You know say, if people are rich, good for you, man. Bumbo clot, you see me? Alright, watch it now.
Are you give them free advertisement, you know?
No man, Red Stripe no man. Remember I said I worked at Red Stripe and I'm a certified mixologist now.
I never give free advertisement.
Yeah, everybody I get free advertisement. That's when me rich.
Advertisement.
Yeah, when me rich, then I better bumbo clot, remember me. Yeah. So alright, I could get rid of it now, because the bag of flask them 1, 3, because we not count 2, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is it. So we're going together now. What all this? All this. Yeah. That is craving here, boss.
Yeah.
You see me? Remember you work when you do it, we go home in your yard and oh, the pussy claw in there. Nah, can't do that. It's not weird.
Yeah, that me I say.
Come
Yeah.
back tomorrow, you know.
People.
Everybody come back. What kind of Illuminati business this? Like I and Jerry apart, what kind of Illuminati is this? Big old red stone in the Illuminati.
In store, pay.
Yeah,
Some
yeah.
people in it, you know. Something,
Yeah,
you know.
but say the camera clean till you make all in chest look good to blood. I'm chicken chest. Ladies, look for me. How do you back? Watch out. You're not drinking no more rum. If you're not drinking no more rum, you're going in here now.
That me say for live, you know, dog. That me I say, you know.
Everybody has start working, man. You work at delivery company. You work at social services. You work at overseas.
Yeah.
Me is a sea creature angler. You the pan leave. I'm not gonna tell you what kind of work.
Vacation, you know.
Yeah, you the pan vacation.
Yeah.
So, in a real life.
Yeah.
Where's the smoke? Yo, the dog some more some pussy out here, blue pill. Yo, you know say, which one you want? Yo, see, you know say one time I stay some bombs, and so when I'm mentioning them go stay some bombs and take one gungo. And the man take a gungo and the girl not come. Patch up. So after the man take a gungo and the girl not come, the man yarn all night. Sweater lick off.
Yeah.
Yeah, white shirt get kick off. So watch your ball game now. I'm not intoxicated. I'm just nice. So you know the ball game. They have all the vibes. I want on it dog.
Yeah,
so you have a catch it
what
dog
over there,
them.
man?
You call him skinny furrow. Skinny furrow. No, put on your hand on junker, put on your hand in. You can't tell me that. Yeah. Wanted man them bumbuckle. Let me tell you this.
Yeah.
How much I never kill more man than I mean a murderer. In a real life. Yeah. Guys, this is just this disclaimer out. This is just entertainment purpose only.
Yeah.
You see me? This is nothing. This is not real. This is fictional. So big up for the support on the channel. I'm love how I go on with. I just need to get me bigger and bigger and bigger. I want to get more videos from time to time. One on the bomb buckler that look at me and two. One of the two, a second, if I not second, one of the 69. Bona, killer them not upon that. Aquatic animal angler. To show you how we deal with it. Look on it. Let me take a drop and speak and show you.
Share and subscribe, you know?
No, don't mistake the split. Do not do.
Share and subscribe.
Yeah.
Not through my eye little don't tell me some fast.
Insult me as a
Nice.
weed smoke.
Weed smoke on the bomb buckler. First weed you burn on me, Billy Gear and Jankro. The first weed you burn on me, Billy Gear.
Here we go. I'll play some music for you guys.
Yo, top of chatting there, somebody on my YouTube channel, don't bomb buckler, president, you know me play you get fuck up. One play you, go home my yard now.
On the YouTube.
You drink 2 cup of blood clot, man. Baxter.
Yeah.
Where's me a skinny furrow?
Yeah.
I could see the bomb buckler birthday boy, all 95 and counting. Make the people them see a bomb buckler.
Yeah,
Charge blood clot. People, they still have 2 flasks of rum.
Yeah.
One, 4 flasks of rum is 1 quart. I will have 4 on the ground that is 1 quart. I will still have 2, 1 handful and 1 that is touch. Big up on yourself, 1 hand and dog. Know the ball game, I'm out.
Yeah, and Cameron Jim, bomb buckler rum. Yo, what do you want, man?
Yo,
man, drink.
brother, about 25 soldiers in my yard a while ago, and about 17 police. I'm a roast fish and the man they drink their liquor. And the blood clot, the
Birthday boy.
the big, where him a again, what them call him again?
Oyster man.
I want to be a bumbo, when me a bad man in real life, and I want to be a king. Hey, brother, you want style?
Oyster man. Swear to man. Yeah. Yeah, damn. I swear to you, brother, hot doggy. But me I test at the wall, brother. I give
Wall
a
your
feel.
bumbo clad, man,
Sao.
can't hold him liquor. The family,
Yeah.
you see me yes, I'm nice.
Yeah.
I'm nice, I'm hold more liquor.
Yeah.
Them can't manage liquor, them not liquor bumbo clad buckle.
Yeah.
Them a wallaby. Them for them wallaby. Fuck the bumblebee. Fuck the you need for name, when the blood clot moving here with bumblebee night, you have a name.
Transformist.
Transformist, your name. You can't manage your liquor, you're a wannabe. Charge you don't now drink like me, you know. See your little never drink 2 cup of rum and go home, my man a skin teeth like body to bumbo clot. Man a skin like body. See our next man drink little rum and I say him have to go and beer him mother go fuck pussy.
Yeah.
Yeah? So that talks. When I rummish see me, me a rummish, my friend. Look how you sweat. Like a wobia them wobia you.
Alright. When Father God come here now.
Yeah.
Brother, you fuck up.
When Father God come here now.
I'm gonna tell you, so you see Maga
Yeah, go
people,
hell and
you see Maga
Yeah.
bumbo clad people can't hold rum. Because they not no blood clad industrial so hold rum. Yeah, and that we don't know.
How when you go get the medal?
Me I get the Bob Buckler medal for Guinness Book of World Record as rubbish. Look for me now. Me a Bob Buckler rubbish.
No medal.
Yeah.
Chargy. Remember say one night a three flasks of rum drink and you're drunk, you know. I had dash your rum, you know.
To clap him.
Look how much rum there, son.
Yeah.
Me I go in my house and me I don't drink this before night done. Me I sit down and drink up the whole of the rum.
The water flask, eh?
Me I drink up the whole of this before night done.
Right there.
See it here. Hold on, people check it.
Yeah.
Look over here, sir. 1 second 4 5.
Yeah.
I say one more there.
Yeah.
I say my cup here, look on it, man, them zoom in for my cup. This is not rum and water, this is rum and cranberry. I'm rich. I don't drink boom, I don't drink thing, I don't drink fuckery. Look at me, this is one honey dog in the boat. You see me? So the people them on TikTok, they're watching me, but they don't know I'm a fucking celebrity. See me when me I fuck for Jamaica. I can't join the team and fuck for Jamaica. You see them jelly back man, them not eat up them industrials and them in collaterals. So them interpes. Them weak. You see me, you so not dive into the sea, I get sea moss. And that have 91 wait there. Yeah, that have 91 minerals out of the 120 minerals that I need.
Yeah.
So look how me good.
Yeah.
Baby, if you want good, how do you come for the seed? That is it.
Yeah.
Watch your ball game.
Leather belt.
Our leather belt. Look at me. You see, baby, my name bust the front. Make you a 10-inch worth of wood. And if you're slim, make you 2 bars that is 12. You see, if you want more than that, take a bus and go suck your mother. Me, look at me. Yeah, let me not fuck for Jamaica. Jamaica, them not dealing people good. Me a fuck for Mr. Universe. Call me Sylvester Stallone.
Yeah.
Incredibles like the Hulk.
One honey dog.
They know me how look at me good.
I mean,
I chip on buckler. The whole of them drunk, you know.
Yeah.
I'm not drunk, I'm intoxicated. We call it nice in Jamaica.
Yeah.
So bro,
Yeah,
literally,
man.
I'm here and I had an exuberating night. So this is the intellectual side of me coming out. So guys, life is just for living. So you live life, enjoy life, and fuck pussy. Take care of your kids as a father and do what you have to do. The only way you make a better world if there was more males in the household. Take the bomb buckler camera for me, I got done the trick. Your battery can't dead. Yo, man, on the front teeth, this is the nipple spada.